Hey guys, thanks for joining me again today. I'm going to be showing you a really fun and easy to do air drying clay project using the Jas brand. So I've got a canvas here and I've just slightly sketched a African woman with a pot on her head, and I'm going to be adding some background with Floetrol. Floetrol have got this new packaging and it's really easy to use. It's a 500 milliliter bottle, and I will add where you can buy this. So do check out my description box for further details. I'm covering the image with some masking tape just because I didn't want the paint to go all over the image that I was going to work on with clay. And here is the mixture that I've already pre-mixed. And I'm going to go straight onto the canvas with a swipe. So I didn't add any silicone or dimethicone in my mixture because I wanted the background to be quite subtle, as the foreground is going to be popping with the clay, and I wanted that to stand out a bit more than the background. So the background literally has just Floetrol and the golden fluid acrylics and no other ingredients to get any cells. But if you notice, when this painting is drying, you will see some kind of cell action going on, even though I haven't added anything in there. And I guess that's the Floetrol, because that's what Floetrol does. So I kind of like this lacy effect that I've got, even though there's no silicone in there. Now that the background's dried, I'm going to peel off the masking tape and reveal the image. It's still there. Yeah, I mean, I didn't really need to add the details on in pencil because I was going to cover it in clay, but you know, that was just for my guideline. I'm using Jas air drying clay for this project, and this is in white, and it dries pretty much grayish white. So all you have to do is really just work straight from the packet, because there's no mixture, there's nothing that you need to add to it. You just soften it with your hands and just go with the shapes. I'm using a very strong glue. I'll link that in my description box as well, so you can check it out. And it does hold very well, no cracks, and it doesn't fall off. And I've used this in my previous project where I did the elephant clay project, so I'll also link that here down below. So I'm just using some water to soften the edges and make it smoother, although you need a lot of patience to really get this smooth, but you know what, I just did what I could in the time I had to do. But overall, I'm sure you guys know what to do with clay, and really it's just about being you know, just trying to blend in and try to get the right shapes. And it doesn't have to be perfect, but you know, you can do as you do, or how you can do it best, and just try different ways of trying to create that art that you want to have in the end on your project. So I'll leave you with this, and if you have any questions, please do leave them in the comment box for me. Any advice, any tips. I do apologize for my head being in the video as well, and I keep saying I need to work on my lighting, but you know, I will do that as well very soon, and I hope to see you again soon. And one more thing before I go, I also wanted to say the Floetrol that I've showed you in the beginning of the video, you can get that through the link that I'm going to post in my description box. You will also get a 10% discount if you buy it through that link, and I think that these bottles are amazing. They're so convenient and easy to use, and very handy to have as part of your Floetrol collection. So do check them out, guys. 10% off. All my love till the next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye for now.